I'll ask you the personal relationship questions later. Opta Research did a survey from July 8 to July 10. Am I right?
If you say something that is pleasing, please
para sa mga
Why,
pinakabagong
Mayor?
update. Tandaan,
Dahil
walang pasok,
I was
walang
invited
baon,
to
wala rin
explore
pangkasyo.
yung running for
So, yun ang supposed to be
Kailangan
dapat.
sana naman
na-represent na
magkaroon kami ng representasyon sa gobyerno.
What exactly did you find that one you did discover corruption?
Maganda po talaga itong proyekto nito. Sa totoo, hindi lang sa City Hall. May medical facility po yung mga laboratories namin.
Ang nandoon at ang mga intel. Ha? Sagutin mo yung Richard Gomez. Bakit nandoon? Inutusan mo ba?
Ayuda, patalo ka sa kasuhan, taka. That's the new politics of the Philippines. Dirty.
Madaot, ang family, ang community, tungkol lang na for your selfish venture.
really consider the cider
If you are not an investigator, why are you
decisions. That's such a
Yung kinakabahan tayo. Malaking bagay for us kung makapasok sana.
Ang magiging next president.
So itago mo sa pangalan.
Ha?
At yung pangalan, itago mo.
Lakon.
Tahan ng Pilipinas natin magtrabaho. Kaya po tayo narito para magtrabaho at magservisyo sa ating mga kababayan.
Senator, si Zen po
which adopted me. There's also the party of the late Senator Miriam Santiago, the People's Reform.
Sure about that result. Ang taas na, di ba? Among ourselves.
For now, nasa 60+% ay nasa number 4 tayo, number 4 I think. So,
Mukhang yun ang nangyari. Last minute people, maraming undecided sa process.
Nag-expose ng corruption. So, knowing that, alam na rin kung ano yung
Gawin yung track record as to having experience. So malaking bagay, malaking tulong.
naging fight director din kasi dumodouble. Yung ang promotion mo sa sarili mo. Pag umiistand, kami sinasagasaan ng kotse, kami
Problema natin sa agriculture.